Hello guys, this is Percy. Last time we did a change oil work for our engine, transmission, center differential and rear differential of my WRX STI. So this time we're going to do the test to find out how effective the combination of TAKUMI oil and SOD-1 Plus is. To do this, we're going to measure the performance and the noise level before and after the change oil work is done. Of course, the most accurate way to measure the performance of a car is to bring it to a dyno test laboratory. But for me, I want to make this simple and in the most economical way. So let's bring this to the road and let's measure the acceleration and actual run. For the noise measurement, we're going to measure the sound level of the engine and the exhaust muffler before and after the work. Lower sound levels should indicate better running mechanicals inside our engine. Alright, so these are going to measure the sound level or the loudness of my exhaust. We're following the way that the authorities here in Japan measures the loudness of the exhaust. And that is the sound sensor should be at the same height with the muffler, 0.5 meter from the tip, and 45 degrees from the direction of the muffler. Let's wait for the engine to finish the cold start. Alright, now the engine is hot and the RPM has stabilized, so we can see the sound level is some 72 to 73 decibels. Alright, now we're going to rev the engine up at an RPM level where the engine is at its 75% of its maximum output. Now, based on the power curve that we got from Mr. Google, we can see that it should be somewhere 4000 RPM. Hold it for 5 seconds and quickly release the throttle. This time, let's measure the noise level of the engine. Okay, commencing performance test. Uh-oh, what is this? My all-wheel drive lamp is blinking. What shall we do now? I think it doesn't really affect our running start acceleration. So let's proceed with the test anyway. In 3, 2, 1, go! Commencing test in 3, 2, 1, go! And so we did the change oil work for our engine, transmission, center differential, and rear differential oil. So let's fast forward that part up to this day. Okay, start the engine. Okay, let's go and test the car. Shifting to I mode, as I always do. Oh yeah, by the way guys, all the tests I've done here are all based on my personal opinion and personal initiatives. I didn't get any support from a company, this is not a sponsored video, and I'm not getting any cash for promoting these products in my video, nor when you buy these products in the store, alright? Somewhat feels like, feels better, huh? First impression is it suddenly feels like the sound of the engine is more refined. By saying that, I mean the engine has some ticking sounds, right? And I can't hear those ticking sounds anymore. I mean, that is normal to hear some ticking sounds within the engine sound, but now I can't hear it anymore. It just feels like it was tuned for something. I can see any look, and it's reacting better now. The response, it's better, definitely. I didn't know just changing the oil would bring this much improvement. I didn't expect that. Right. So let's keep silence. Let's do it now. Commencing performance test. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, let's do the test now. In 3, 2, getting speed first. 2, 1, go! Going 75 kph. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Alright guys, so there you go, summarizing the figures that we've come up. Just to make it clear, we didn't do any modification before and after the change of work. So the streets that we went through in the tests, they're all the same. Or at least, if not, they are of the same condition. The outside temperature are almost the same. Alright guys, this concludes this video of TAKUMI oil and SOD-1 Plus change oil testing. I hope you liked it. If you do, please hit that like button, make it blue. For those that have comments or suggestions, please put it at the comment section. We'll try to do it next time. And for those that are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned, there will be a lot of more videos to come. So, thank you for watching this video. See you again next time. Peace out. Have a nice one.